We at Aviation Indeed are known for the culture that we're building. Now we're living in the times when it's so difficult to find opportunities in the market, especially when you're a fresher. But we at Aviation Indeed welcome all the freshers with equal opportunities in the market. And to all those people who are new to the aviation industry, we do not hesitate to give them a chance. And once you enter Aviation Indeed, you will find diversity in the office. And of course, now everyone wants a hybrid mode of culture, right? So we do not force you to come to the office every day. If it suits you and if you get the work done, we are welcome to give you the opportunity to work from home. We also provide opportunities to people who have huge career gaps. For example, returning mothers. We do not hesitate to give them a chance to bring them on board with us. We at Aviation Indeed have a 3P policy, which is people, product and profit. Of course, our services are recruitment services. So we make sure that the candidates have a smooth onboarding experience from our end. And also, we have to manage the clients as well. So we make sure that all their requirements are being fulfilled and at the right time. When it comes to product, we are the only staffing agency in aviation in India. And third comes profit. Of course, profit is important for every company, but that is our last priority. First, because we want all the people who are in this aviation industry to have a smooth experience, because in earlier times it was not there. And then comes the profit. So of course, first is people, then our priority is our services, and the last is profit. Of course, profit is important for every company, right? But that is our last priority, because we want to make sure that we keep the candidates happy and the clients happy. Lastly, Aviation Indeed wants to add value to people's lives, because in earlier times it was so difficult to find opportunities, right? Now we want to make things as easy as possible and as smooth as possible. So you can come and join us at Aviation Indeed, or you can find the next right opportunity for you at Aviation Indeed.